iPhone USB-C to Lightning cable is a 10-phone charging cord that features power delivery (PD) for a faster charge from a USB-C charger wall adapter. MFI, made for iPhone/iPad/iPod, certified Lightning cable is designed for Apple chargers and approved for Apple MFI certification to ensure your devices are safe from overheating or short-circuiting. iPhone charger cable features ultra-strong connector joints with a design made to endure up to 25,000 lifetime bends, so the Lightning cable can withstand the rigors of everyday use and last longer than the average cable. Durable connector heads provide a sturdy connection for rigorous everyday use, offer superior phone data sync, and a fast charge experience. Includes one Braided TalkWorks iPhone 10-foot USB-C to Lightning cable charger in silver. Top reviews from the United States. Great charger, lasts about a year. My favorite charger. I'm only here because I'm buying another after a year. Old one still works, is just getting bent and has a small short that's manageable, but this is one of the fastest chargers I've used and the cord length is great. For the price, don't mind it being an annual purchase.